In this video, I'll show you how to connect and use Hotspot Shield VPN on your laptop, step by step. Before we begin, just a quick note: if you're looking for a VPN that offers faster speeds, stronger privacy, and better streaming support, I personally recommend NordVPN. It's one of the most reliable options right now, and you'll find the link in the description to get it at a great price. Alright, let's get started. First, open your laptop and go to the official Hotspot Shield website. On the home page, look for the download option and select the version that matches your operating system, either Windows or Mac. Click Download and wait for the installer file to finish downloading. Once it's done, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the setup file to start the installation. A setup window will appear. Just follow the on-screen steps to complete it. When the installation finishes, launch the Hotspot Shield app. Now, you'll see the main dashboard, which has a large power button right in the center. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in with your email and password. If you don't, you can sign up directly from the app by clicking on Create Account. After logging in, connecting is super easy. Just click the power button, and Hotspot Shield will automatically connect you to the fastest server based on your location. This helps you get the best possible speed for browsing, streaming, or downloading. If you want to connect to a specific country, click on the server list or the small location icon. You'll see a list of available countries. Simply select the one you want. This is especially useful if you're trying to access region-restricted websites or stream content that's blocked in your area. Once connected, you'll notice the interface showing that your VPN is active, your internet traffic is now encrypted, and your IP address is hidden. You can browse, stream, or even use public Wi-Fi safely without worrying about your data being exposed. If at any point you experience slow speeds, try disconnecting and reconnecting to another server. Sometimes switching locations can give you better performance, especially during high traffic hours. When you're done using the VPN, simply click the power button again to disconnect. You can reconnect anytime, whenever you need privacy or want to access blocked websites. Hotspot Shield does a solid job, but if you're looking for something more powerful, especially for streaming, gaming, or bypassing censorship, NordVPN performs much better overall. It has faster global servers, stronger encryption, and extra features like threat protection and double VPN for maximum privacy. So if you want the best mix of speed, security, and reliability, definitely check out NordVPN. The link is in the description.